Hi, I'm Chris Bratton with Bratton Law Group, and today we are going to debunk 4 common myths of elder law. Myth number 1, I don't need an estate plan if I don't have a lot of assets, which is not true. Because remember, estate planning is not just about planning where your assets go after you pass away, it's also about incapacity planning. So certainly we want to make sure that you have a proper estate plan in place that covers both what happens when you pass, but also what happens if you become incapacitated. We want to make sure that we have a will or a revocable trust in place, a general durable power of attorney to handle finances, a healthcare power of attorney so that someone can make healthcare decisions for you in the event you can't make your own, your living will, and also your HIPAA release. Myth number 2, you can't qualify for Medicaid if you have assets. Now, certainly Medicaid has asset limitations and income limitations. However, there are strategies that we can employ to make sure that a spouse can increase the share of assets that he or she is allowed to keep, or if you want to protect assets for other heirs, there are also strategies that we can utilize to protect those assets if that's part of your plan. Myth number 3, that wills are enough to handle your entire estate plan, which may not be the case. Again, as we discussed previously, we want to make sure that we have documents in place that handle the distribution of those assets after you pass, which could include a will, may also include a revocable trust, depending on your situation, but also the other documents like the power of attorney, the healthcare power of attorney in the event of incapacity. And myth number 4, it's too early to consider issues related to elder law. It's never too early. Regardless of what your overall desire is to achieve your goals, we want to make sure that you have a plan in place, and certainly starting sooner than later is going to benefit you, whether you're trying to protect assets, whether you're setting up your revocable trust or irrevocable trust. We want to make sure that you have all of the options available to you so that you can make an informed decision based on what your goals are. If you need any assistance at all, give us a call.